It is 180 degrees different than her prior testimony to the grand jury and her prior statement to the ranger. And it is of a matter of such importance because it has placed the gunman on the south side. It's the same place where my client was, where he responded to and where he went to. And so if this witness has told, and I understand witnesses testify, they remember things differently, but when the prosecution hears something that the witnesses remember differently than anything that we have, it's their obligation to provide that to us, because that would be what could be used for impeachment.
But we provided with the grand jury testimony that had about the dirt, whether or not it was a man in black, they've already stipulated that there's a man in black that was there.
I agree, but not at that location at that time. And this is a man dressed all in black, not just all in black, with long hair and a firearm and a gun.
Like there was more than one man in black and a gun.
But that's
at the south end of Robb Elementary.
The prosecution, I'm sure, is not trying to intentionally miss the point, which I'm sure that the court understands my point, which is it's not about who did the shooting. Of course, we all agree with that, but at what time, when and where and how, and what teachers had identified a shooter or had seen a shooter on campus?
Well, the location is pretty important, Mr. Turner. Do we have anything that you show in your notes, you turn that over to them?
About the man in black, no, Your Honor, I don't.